Carlton, you're not supposed to do something. Is it there a restraining order out on you?
Where you up to, Trevor? Where you talk about restraining order? You believe that bullshit, eh? Them that charge me, so them for restrain me from my own side.
And that means say, you're a person of interest and you're not supposed to come 100 feet at the site.
Hold this. Because of foolishness. But I like to see them come and take me off of my own side. Person of interest, them not charge me. So as I say, nobody can stop me from coming from my side.
Carlton, and you me a look out for, you know. You me a look out for. I mean, want to make sure say everything alright with you. You understand? That's why me have to try to protect the place to make sure say everything good.
My interest, protect me. By the way, who tell you to put them ugly grill up on this the place? You realize there's a window space this? So when the window for put in now, how we get access to yourself? When you put up and all the back door, what kind of ugly door that? That look like a warehouse door to rotting.
Carlton, I one of the best door that for put on a place like this right now. But the man you have proud the place, right? For broken night. You understand?
Who are broken or what?
Carlton, as me say, me I try to protect the things that inside of the place.
Trevor, you know so the agreement between me and you, the contract we have is that you do the carpentry work. Or you reach a steel work.
Carlton, me know people. Me know people. The steel work need for do. And the way how me see Stoneface them a move, brother. Me not trust them, you know. You can't trust them. Me not trust them.
Where you get money from to do all that steel work? Yeah?
What you mean where me get money from, Carlton? Me a big man. If you get say me used to do my little thing them, and me have my savings, eh? Furthermore, me know the little man will do the steel work. I'm a sister, brother.
Your sister, brother? What you talk about?
Me mean my sister boyfriend.
Hold on. Your sister with that Bellevue?
Carlton, nobody with the foolishness right now. All me I tell you say, I protect your interest.
But hold on, which savings that? Then I mean if you give baby mother them money, so where you get savings from?
You know, feel like say, me have a little thing stashed away. Eh? Or you think me that go about to get certain things sorted out anytime me and you do that in a ramble? Eh? You think say me just name off my own so? Eh? You come and tell me about baby mother. Yo, them gonna look walked up.
Trevor, you remember the last time when I said to you, if you had tried nothing shady, if you had tried cut my foot from under me, I'll kill you this time, Trevor.
Carlton, me tell you this. You pray the wrong person. A Stoneface them, you fi pray. You didn't know say, Stoneface them have to pay ranking, extortion money every month.
Yeah.
Well, this is the second month and them not pay him yet. So, you know, feel say at one point, them are gonna come try thief things out there for sell, for pay him. Eh?
Stoneface now gonna do that.
Tell me something. How long you know Stoneface? You and him used to run up and down and play football and hide and seek and them something there? Eh? How long you know Stoneface? Carlton, remember say me and you grow. Me and you grow. We know each other. You just see that youth there from nowhere and you just take him under your wing so. And I'll push me to the side.
Yeah. Me and you grow. And you try for my life. Yeah, me don't know them from nowhere. But them never try for my life yet. So me have to pray you.